It's done. It's 6 for no loss. This time he cuts and he cuts Sharad Kelkar. He cuts and cuts straight to the fielder at point, not for any runs. So a rather sedate start by the Abhineta 11. This time he bowls and he plays him on the onside for 4 runs. And that was a good looking shot, a confident looking shot over the extra cover for 4 runs. And the first boundary from for Chandrasekhar.
बहुत खूबसूरती के साथ यहाँ पर खेला, बिल्कुल बल्ले के बीचों बीच लेकर ताकत के साथ, बहुत अच्छा कनेक्शन और शानदार यहाँ पर कवर ड्राइव। गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा के बाहर, 4 रन मिले तो दोनों बल्लेबाजों ने चित परिचित अंदाज में खेलना शुरू किया है। सबसे पहले जो सी का कॉन्फिडेंस है, आत्मविश्वास है, वो नजर आ रहा है दोनों बल्लेबाजों में। और इस वक्त ये है शानदार ऑन ड्राइव, गेंद जाएगी सीमा रेखा के बाहर। लगातार दूसरी गेंदों पर यह दूसरा चौका, शानदार बल्लेबाजी चंद्रशेखर की।
Yes, what we expected Mohammad Azharuddin to do, Chandrasekhar is doing now. He's on 9 of 8 balls, 14 for no loss. That was a good shot, hiked over the mid-wicket region. No fielder there, straight for 4 runs. Sharad Kelkar it is once again, and this time rather ambitious looking shot from Chandrasekhar. Will get a single as the ball goes to the fielder at lovely shot, and that's a catch actually dropped. He's dropped by the fielder at long on. That was not able to hold on. Batsman get a single. That was a chance for Abhineta 11. What seemed to be a good shot, but the player trying his best, eluding his right hand as he falls to.
क्या नहीं करना पड़ता है नेता को और अभिनेता को, हम निश्चित तौर से इस पर भी चर्चा करेंगे। चलते हैं, यहाँ पर तैयार हो चुके हैं राजा भेरवानी अपनी अगली गेंद लेकर, और उनकी ये गेंद अंदर आई थी, कट करना चाहते थे, भाग्य ने साथ दिया, बाल बचे, ये कहना ज्यादा मुफीद होगा।
Really bowling well, and both the teams have been playing very well, and what is noteworthy is that Abhineta 11 really playing well, displaying good cricketing prowess. I mean, they are not giving up, considering the fact that the experience and the stature of Mohammad Azharuddin has not disappointed, or rather, there's a good shot, but straight to the fielder. May probably get a single. Yes, Chandrasekhar does. He moves to 12.
विकेट कीपिंग कर रहे हैं, वाइड का इशारा किया था। देखिए नेगेटिव गेंदबाजी की जा रही है, पहली 2 गेंदें ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर, फिर 1 गेंद लेग स्टंप पर, और ये गेंद अच्छी थी, विकेट कीपिंग भी बहुत बढ़िया था। बहुत मजा आ रहा है, शानदार क्रिकेट खेला जा रहा है जयंत।
Yes, a slow and steady start, if we can say, considering the fact that Mohammad Azharuddin is there, and he's just scored 13 of 12 runs. Raja Berwani to Chandrasekhar, who plays it on the outside, straight to the fielder. Azhar wants a single, I think, for quite some.
You divide 5 by the score out there, 7, an average of 7. Oh, look at that, look at that. I think that would have perhaps got the better of any good batsman, Jay.
Yes, very true. I mean, he's bowling really well. No doubt he's considered Sunil Shetty. Sunil Shetty owns a cricket team, and that's a lovely shot from Chandrasekhar. Fielder in pursuit between the mid wicket for 4 runs. Chandrasekhar certainly not keeping quiet, undeterred by the reputation of Mohammad Azharuddin. He's going for his shots.
Well, look at that one, overpitched. He wanted to actually drive it into the extra cover region. It doesn't really matter. The thick, it was an intended stroke. It was an intended stroke. And he seems to be an ideal foil for Azharuddin out there.
Yes, certainly. He's taken much of the pressure of Azharuddin, and 41 for no loss. Neta 11, we are into the 6th over. That was a better looking ball. Not giving much room to the batsman, the bowler.
It was very, very short. Chandrasekhar. Now I think, with both of them getting their eye in, and it would be Anurag Singh Thakur as per the batting order given to us. Shrikant Shinde, the Member of Parliament from Mumbai. So as I said, the two umpires there. This is Vaibhav Dhokre. Oh, he's used the width there. He's used the width. Lucky. And it speeds away. Chandrasekhar seems to be in full cry, Jain.
Yes, I mean, he's not being subdued. He's going for his shots and realizes that they have to step on the gas and accelerate to reach that target of 200, which they have to give the fielding side.
Finding the gap to perfection. Valiant chase.
Hardly any difference between the number of balls also they have faced.
5 in this over. Well, that could be a wide or should be a wide for sure. Well, there's nothing wrong. I think it's a fun game. The Saqib came in for 11 runs, so the game has shifted suddenly. You did mention that they had held them on a leash, and now see what's happening. First 6 of the match. Oh, what a 6 that is by Chandrasekhar. I'm sure he played a lot of cricket in his younger days.
That was a huge 6 by Chandrasekhar. Belting 89, 71. Well spread outfield, and this time once again a lofted shot. Whether, yeah, and he's out. Chandrasekhar is out, and just as I told you, the idea is Anupam Kher picks up his first wicket. The idea is he bowls a lollipop, entices the batsman to play the shot, lofted shot, which Chandrasekhar did.
इस वक्त कट किया है, बल्ले का बाहरी किनारा लेकर गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा के बाहर. 4 रन मिलेंगे यूसुफ पठान को.
Yusuf Pathan it is to face Navdeep Tomar.
पठान ने भारत के लिए बहुत बढ़िया खेला है. लॉन्गा पर देखिए कितनी बेहतरीन फील्डिंग, वहां पर शानदार फील्डिंग, लाजवाब. ये है यूसुफ पठान. बैटर्स इस वक्त मैदान पर है. एक आग है तो दूसरा बारूद. 87 रन 2 विकेटों के नुकसान पर नेता 11. छोटी गेंद सिर्फ हल्के हाथों से इसे प्लेस किया है डीप मिड विकेट पर. फास्ट सेंचुरी है उनके नाम, यूसुफ पठान. इस वक्त गेंद को खेल दिया है ऑन साइड पर. एक अपना सारा अनुभव दाव पर लगाया जा रहा है.
Really truly contributed a lot of efforts above politics. I must compliment him that he has done a lot for TB, and all my colleagues and friends who are here. I think we must make sure that TB has to be in history.
एक साथ लड़ेंगे, टीबी मुक्त भारत बनाएंगे. बहुत अच्छा शॉट यहाँ पर, बेहतरीन फ्लिक किया. गेंद सीमा रेखा के बाहर जाती हुई. मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन, द ग्रेट मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन, फ्लिक ऑफ द रिस्ट, वही कलात्मक शॉट दिखा दिया. और यूसुफ पठान ने ये शॉट खेला था. 21 रन मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन खेल रहे 43 पर. आगे निकल कर आए, उसे खेल दिया. गेंद जाएगी सीमा रेखा के बाहर. शानदार सिक्सर. इसी के साथ यूसुफ पठान और मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन जो खेल रहे हैं, एक धमाका देखने मिल रहा है. नेता 11 बनाम अभिनेता 11 इस मैच में. गेंद फुल टॉस थी, लेग स्टंप पर थी, भरपूर फायदा उठा दिया. बहुत अच्छा कनेक्शन. गेंद को खेल दिया डीप बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर लेग की दिशा पर. गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा के बाहर. 6 रन मिले यूसुफ पठान को.
That was a very good shot, and Yusuf Pathan still looks to be in the nick he was when in his playing days. Even at this age, he's really playing well.
काफी खुश है अपने प्रदर्शन से यूसुफ पठान. 12 गेंदों में 27 रनों की बेनजीर पारी खेल रहे हैं. फिर से एक बार अपने पसंदीदा इलाके की ओर देखा, तैयार है। 116 रन, 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर नेता 11। इस वक्त ये मिस टाइम शॉट है, लेकिन ताकत है, गेंद जाएगी सीमा रेखा के बाहर। 4 रन मिलेंगे यूसुफ पठान को। गेंद जो कि फुलर लेन थी, बॉटम हैंड का बहुत अच्छा इस्तेमाल, ट्रेमेंडस पावर वहां पर देखने मिली। बहुत अच्छा ड्राइव, गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा के बाहर। 4 रन मिले यूसुफ पठान को।
नहीं, वो कह रहे हैं अभी वेट करो।
यूसुफ पठान, ही इज ऑन फायर। ये बढ़िया शॉट था यूसुफ पठान द्वारा, बहुत ही खूबसूरती के साथ इससे खेला। गेंद आसमान में चली गई है, गगनचुंबी टोला लगाया यहां पर यूसुफ पठान ने। बहुत बढ़िया और बेहतरीन खेलते हुए यूसुफ पठान।
And in fact, it has claimed more lives for any infectious disease in history.
How optimistic are you about this match today helping you to increase the outreach? Not only this one, and
Matches will certainly generate a lot of excitement and interest in finding out why people have come all the way only to play cricket match, and there are film stars, there are people, represent Parliament, and I'm sure kind of media and publicity, a lot of coverage, people will get to know what is TB. Because biggest problem about TB is its awareness. Okay, I mean even in Parliament, in 2012, let me tell you very, very forthrightly, not many people thought that TB was still prevalent in India. So we come a long way, and like I said, so many policy changes have taken place that helped the country, and incidence has dropped in last 3 years, and we have had no problem about money. Earlier there were problem about funds also, but now there's no crunch on funds, and I see no reason. I mean, if you have determined political will, you have all those factors, like I said, build partnerships, alliances, coalitions. The Prime Minister gave target of 2025 and also the Health Minister, Mr. Nadda, I was with him in United Nations that time. We both were together there, and 2025 is the target. Actually 2030 is the Sustainable Development Goal target.
अजहरुद्दीन और यूसुफ पठान ने आज दिखाया है।
I wonder what they must be discussing between themselves, Monty. They must be saying, यार ऐसी बैटिंग तो हमने पहले भी की है, ये कौन सा बड़ा बात है हमारे लिए। Was he put on the brakes in the beginning, and Monty, we are now looking at, Yusuf Pathan perhaps must be saying to Azharuddin, to thoda aaram kar le yaar. 17 balls, 50 runs, Azharuddin 37-48 is the Arabian Sea, which is about a kilometer. Oh, look at that now. This man is in a bad mood. He's in a bad mood. He says, you pitch one shot to me, you may be having none for 13 in 3 overs. Boss, forget your game now.
छोटी गेंद बहुत खूबसूरती के साथ इसे खेल दिया है डी मिड विकेट सीमा रेखा के बाहर। यूसुफ पठान के बल्ले से आता हुआ ये शानदार सिक्सर।
Well, if there is any other adjective, धुआंधार batting, my Hindi commentators will say explosive, nasty. Well, nasty is not the right word, but I use these words because you are in a mood to finish off someone. This is great cricket. It's for a great cause. Let's remind everyone. And look at that now. इससे क्या कहे यार?
एक धमाका यहाँ पर बिल्कुल जलजला आया है। यूसुफ पठान है नाम उसका। विड्थ मिली थी, बहुत बेहतरीन रीच दिखाई और शानदार खेल दिया। बहुत बढ़िया शॉट यूसुफ पठान द्वारा कवर रीजन में जाता हुआ सिक्सर।
Monty, there was nothing wrong with the delivery. There was absolutely nothing wrong with the delivery.
नेता बनाम अभिनेता के यूसुफ पठान ने बहुत बेहतरीन शानदार पारी खेली है, आक्रामक पारी खेली है, असरकारक पारी खेली है, आकर्षक पारी खेली है, लंबे लंबे सिक्सर लगाए हैं। और जितने भी सारे दर्शक हैं और डीडी स्पोर्ट्स के माध्यम से आज इस प्रतियोगिता को देख रहे हैं वो काफी खुश होंगे। यूसुफ पठान ने दमदार धमाका यहां पर पेश किया है, बल्लेबाजी में अपना जलवा अफरोज किया है।
Even a cricket of this nature, Mohammad Azharuddin walked down, patted him on the back, said, "Well done, my young boy." Let's remember the good old days. I still remember Yusuf Pathan, that first Ranji Trophy final debut year. I was fortunate. He, Irfan, we'll talk about that. Oh, look at that. Look at that spank. Look at that spank. He was like a school teacher. Took out a foot ruler and said, the good old days, you can't do it today. You can't.
167 यूसुफ पठान मिस टाइम था, सिंगल हैंडेड शॉट जिसे कहा जाता है वो खेला गया और लॉन्ग ऑफ पर एक अच्छा प्रयास। देखो बिल्कुल पुल बैक किया है इसे, बेहतरीन फील्डिंग।
Yes, when you do watch the West Indians, particularly the Basil Butchers, they were all, oh, look at that stroke again, look at that stroke again. He seems to be just going on and on. Yusuf Pathan, it's a summer day, it's a cool down a bit, the afternoons were 34 degrees, but Monty, the popular English saying, it's raining sixes out here. It's hot, it's humid. The temperatures don't seem to be troubling Yusuf Pathan at all.
बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने, यहाँ पर सिक्सर्स की छक्कों की बरसात हो रही है, एक सुनामी हमें देखने मिल रही है। तूफानी बल्लेबाजी यहाँ पर यूसुफ पठान द्वारा 101 रन्स की पार्टनरशिप और देखिए फिर से एक बार बहुत बढ़िया शॉट, गेंद सीमा रेखा के बाहर। यूसुफ पठान अपना जलवा यहां पर जारी रखते हुए, गेंद कैसी भी आए मैं इसे सिर्फ और सिर्फ खेलूंगा सीमा रेखा के बाहर।
So yes, we've seen some entertainment here on a wonderful Saturday evening. TB Mukt Bharat, the run rate which started with 8.86 has now creeped to 11.18. Shabir Aluwalia just doesn't know where to pitch the ball. You pitch it in the block hole, Yusuf Pathan is there. You over pitch it, Yusuf Pathan is there. You pitch it on the off stump, he's there. You pitch it on the leg stump, he's there. Where do you pitch a ball to this boy? In full cry, 77 of 25. And every stroke, these two cricketers has been from the book.
Here, let's see what he can do to Yusuf Pathan. How can contain him? And that's a full toss and gone for a six. A beautiful shot from the blade of Yusuf Pathan. Merciless, absolutely merciless. Ruthless innings from Yusuf Pathan. And that's 186 for 2. Yusuf Pathan moves to 85. I think on a fire is Yusuf Pathan here. And Anurag Singh Thakur, whose brainchild has been the TB Mukt Bharat, really enjoying the innings of Yusuf Pathan.
खौफ को पैदा करने के लिए उम्र की नहीं, जिगर की जरूरत होती है। वो यहाँ पर जिगर दिखा दिया यूसुफ पठान ने। फिर से एक बार उनके बल्ले से आता हुआ ये दूसरा छक्का।
All eyes on Yusuf Pathan. Crowd waiting with abated breath. And yes, goes for a mighty heave. Gets to the bottom of the bat, but not for any huge towering shots. The ball 5 for 2. As this time once again straying down the leg side. And it goes for 4 byes and a wide. 4 wides. Saqib has been guilty of conceding far too many wides on the leg side. Straying down. Umpire, the wicket keeper Sika not able to collect that one. He was down on the too much wide of the leg side.
सलीम ने जो दूसरी गेंद की थी जहां पर सिर्फ 1 रन मिला था वो बहुत अच्छी गेंद थी, बाद में वो भटकते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। इस वक्त उठा दिया है, बल्ले को लगी और गेंद चली गई है सीमा रेखा के बाहर। 4 रन चाहिए शतक पूरा करने के लिए नेता 11 के बल्लेबाज। और इस वक्त खेल दिया, गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा के बाहर। यूसुफ पठान अपना शतक पूरा करते हुए 33 गेंदों में ये सेंचुरी उन्होंने पूरी की है। बहुत ही शानदार ऑफ ड्राइव के साथ यूसुफ पठान ने आज इस मैच में अपने बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी से शतक पूरा किया है। जो पर्वतों से टकरा जाए उसे तूफान कहते हैं और जो तूफानों से टकरा जाए उसे यूसुफ पठान कहते हैं। बहुत बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी यूसुफ पठान की।
What a shot, what a shot. Once again landing outside the stadium for yet another 6. The moment the ball left the bat, the destiny was well written. It will go outside the stadium. So the people outside the stadium will have a field day collecting the balls because Yusuf Pathan is on fire at the MCA.
बहुत दूर दूर गगन के छाव में 6 रनों के गांव में यूसुफ पठान अपना जलवा अफरोज करते हुए सभी क्रिकेट लवर्स को खुश करते हुए अपने बल्लेबाजी से एक तूफान आया हुआ है मैदान में। उसका नाम है यूसुफ पठान।
A hurricane knock by Yusuf Pathan, 108 runs, 34 balls, 226 for 2, Netha 11 and 18.1 overs. What an innings, a flamboyant innings full of fire, ferocious shots, straight, absolutely brilliant Yusuf Pathan. Once again this time, doesn't make proper contact, a good fielding by the fielder at mid-wicket. Daruwala Reddy bowling for the Freddy, bowling for the first time. Daruwala Freddy from the non-strikers and bowls to Yusuf Pathan. And a easy 6. A slow ball pitched on the middle and leg stump. And Yusuf Pathan with utmost ease just pulls him on the leg side for yet another 6.
यूसुफ पठान को रोकना मुश्किल ही नहीं बल्कि नामुमकिन भी है, यही दिखाते हुए यूसुफ पठान गजब का टाइमिंग, ट्रेमेंडस पावर, बहुत बेहतरीन खेला यूसुफ पठान ने। ऐसा लग रहा है कि आईपीएल का धमाका इसी मैदान पर चल रहा है, इस एमसीए पर। यूसुफ पठान आईपीएल बिल्कुल जो 2008 में खेल रहे थे वही यूसुफ पठान यहां पर नजर आ रहे हैं।
Once again string down the outside, too far outside the outside, and even if the umpire wanted to be liberal, he couldn't, because I think it would have been going far away from the 8th or 10th stump, so it's been declared a wide. 243 for 2, Netha 11, 19.1 overs. Yusuf Pathan on 115 in 36 balls. Once again, off his toes, flicks it for 4 runs with utmost ease. What a shot. Just roll of the wrist on the leg side through the square leg umpire region. 4 runs for Yusuf Pathan. 119. And yes, they should reach 250. Uphill task for the Abhinetas to get to that score. Once again, this time a mighty heave on the outside. Whether the fielder gets ended. Brilliant catch. Yusuf Pathan is out.